Let's talk about what comes with this order. Now with this particular order, you get 10 needle cartridges, 5 liners, 5 round shaders, you get your ink caps, you get a charging cord for your battery, as well as a cable, which gives you the option to plug in directly into a power supply if you want to go that route. The battery itself definitely looks like it's pretty good quality. What I like about this setup is when I was researching for the couple weeks, none of the rotary tattoo pens, none of them had an LED display for under $100. This one has one right on the battery, so I was impressed about that. Now let's take a look at the pen itself. Bam, guys. Comes with a nice little sleeve here just to give a little extra protection. And I'll tell you guys, when I first pulled this thing out, I was pretty impressed. Looks and feels great. When I started it up, sounds good. We're going to be running with this. We're going to test the battery, see how long that battery really lasts. It is said that it could last up to 5 hours in between charges. I don't know about that, so we'll see what it really does. We're also going to run with this thing over the next, say, 2-3 months and see how it holds up. So if you guys want to see how this thing holds up and what we could do with this, make sure to click that subscribe and channel notifications on. Click the like to show your love and support the series. And if you got any questions, throw them down there in the comment section, as well as any suggestions, videos you would like to see coming up here on the series. And we'll show you real quick how you set this up. Needle cartridges slide right in there, lock in place. Just take your battery, plug it right in the top. Fits really nice and snug in there. And you just push, hold your power button for a second. Your power comes on like that. It takes about 2 or 3 seconds. Long press and hold. And as far as going up or down, you just go up or down. Simple as that, guys. Once you got your cartridge in there, you set your speed. Needle depth, you just turn counterclockwise or clockwise. They'll bring your needle in and out. You dip it in your ink and you are ready to go, guys. Simple as that. As far as keeping everything nice and clean and sanitized and wrapping everything, this setup much easier than a coil machine or any machines attached with cords. You got to wrap all your cords and that, keep everything clean. So this is much easier. Another thing that I really like about this is the fact that pretty much everybody's used to holding a marker or pen. So holding something like this, it just comes natural, you know? So I definitely dig it. We'll be running with this, like I said, in the next few months. I'm going to order a second one. The price is just too good to pass up. So I'm going to get a second machine. This one here we're going to use for a lot of practice run, a lot of testing. Second machine I'm going to actually use to clean up some of this stuff. So like I said, 100 likes on this video, and I'm going to let you guys decide what we do for that next tattoo. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to tell you guys how you can get this setup right here, as well as a giant bottle of name brand ink for around $100. You can get this setup for $70 or $80 in total, depending on whether or not you get the practice ink. And you can actually grab up an 8-ounce bottle for $20 plus shipping. It comes out to a total of $30. So altogether, I only put $110 in for everything you see here, and we're gonna get running today. So I'm gonna end this. If you didn't click that like, you suck. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, guys. Later.